Hey everyone, welcome back to your go-to spot for all things motorcycles, performance reviews, and much more. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our latest reviews, news, and updates. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about. We're diving into a legendary bike that has just received a modern twist, the 2026 Yamaha RD350LC. This bike is making waves, and today, we're going to take an in-depth look at everything it has to offer. So grab a seat, because this is going to be an exciting ride. The 2026 Yamaha RD350LC is a bike that blends retro styling with modern performance, capturing the essence of the original RD350LC from the 1980s. Yamaha has a rich history of producing iconic motorcycles, and this bike brings the past into the present with a fresh perspective. In this video, we're going to explore everything you need to know about the 2026 RD350LC, from its design and specifications to how it rides and performs. Whether you're a Yamaha enthusiast or just a motorcycle lover, this bike is something you need to hear about. Before we dive into the specs and features, let's take a quick look back at the history of the RD350LC. The original Yamaha RD350LC was released in the early 1980s and quickly became a cult classic. It was loved for its performance, handling, and its ability to punch above its weight in terms of speed. With its two-stroke engine, it was a favorite among riders who wanted a thrilling, lightweight bike that could offer exhilarating performance on the streets and twisty roads. But, like many great machines from that era, the RD350LC was discontinued as emission standards tightened and motorcycles evolved. Now, fast forward to 2026, and Yamaha has resurrected the RD350LC with a modern twist. But how does it compare to its predecessor, and what makes it stand out in today's motorcycle market? Let's find out. One of the first things that you'll notice when looking at the 2026 RD350LC is its nod to the past. Yamaha has carefully designed this new RD350LC to retain the essence of the original model, while also updating the styling for modern tastes. The design is sleek, with the classic lines and the iconic Yamaha color schemes, but it's much more refined and aerodynamic. The 2026 RD350LC features a lightweight frame that's built to offer excellent handling. The minimalist bodywork with sharp lines, combined with a retro fuel tank design, gives it an authentic classic look while maintaining modern ergonomics. The rear end features an updated tail section that houses a compact LED tail light, and the front end has a clean, aggressive look with updated headlamp design. The retro-inspired design is sure to make heads turn, but it's also purposeful in the way it keeps the bike nimble and agile. The bike's build quality is premium, and Yamaha has made sure that every piece, from the wheels to the exhaust pipes, gives off a sense of precision engineering. Now let's get to what matters most, the engine and performance. The 2026 Yamaha RD350LC is powered by a liquid-cooled 350cc, two-stroke, parallel twin engine. This engine configuration is a direct homage to the original RD350LC, which also featured a two-stroke twin, but the new model has been fine-tuned to meet modern standards while retaining that raw power and excitement. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission that allows for smooth power delivery throughout the rev range. Thanks to the two-stroke design, you'll get that thrilling hit of power as the RPMs rise, and the sound of the exhaust is unmistakably aggressive, evoking nostalgia for those who remember the original. Yamaha has also introduced modern technology into the powertrain, with an electronic fuel injection (EFI) system. This not only improves fuel efficiency, but also ensures smoother throttle response and better emissions control. It's a great example of how Yamaha has updated this bike to meet today's standards without sacrificing that iconic two-stroke character. The RD350LC delivers around 50 horsepower, which, when paired with its lightweight frame, results in a performance that is quick and nimble. The acceleration is impressive, and with a top speed of around 130 to 140 km/h, it offers plenty of thrills without feeling like it's out of control. The handling of the 2026 Yamaha RD350LC is where it really shines. Yamaha has used modern materials like aluminum and steel to create a lightweight yet rigid frame that offers superb agility. The chassis is designed to be responsive and planted, with sharp handling that allows for quick transitions in the corners. The suspension system has been updated with a front telescopic fork and twin shock absorbers in the rear, both tuned for performance and comfort. The suspension offers just the right amount of damping to keep the bike stable at higher speeds, while maintaining that nimble feel at low speeds. On the braking front, the 2026 RD350LC is equipped with disc brakes both front and rear, with modern calipers providing excellent stopping power. The braking system is responsive and provides the rider with a confident feel when diving into corners or stopping quickly. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or navigating urban streets, the handling of this bike is a standout feature that ensures a thrilling ride. One area where the 2026 Yamaha RD350LC differs from its predecessor is in the addition of modern technology. While the bike retains its classic spirit, it comes equipped with some advanced features that enhance the riding experience. First up is the digital instrument cluster. The traditional analog gauges are now replaced with a sleek, modern digital display that provides all the essential information, such as speed, RPM, fuel level, trip information, and more. The display is clean and easy to read, even in direct sunlight, and offers a futuristic touch while retaining that classic motorcycle feel. The RD350LC also comes with a range of rider aids, including a switchable traction control system, which helps to improve stability in different riding conditions. This modern technology helps maintain control in slippery conditions, especially considering the bike's two-stroke nature, which can sometimes be unpredictable on wet roads. The bike also has modern lighting systems, including full LED headlights, taillights, and turn signals, providing better visibility and a more modern look. The 2026 RD350LC's ergonomics are designed to offer a comfortable yet sporty riding position. The seat is moderately padded, with a perfect balance between comfort and firmness, ensuring you can ride for long stretches without discomfort. The handlebars are placed in an aggressive yet comfortable position that encourages a sporty riding posture, without being overly aggressive or uncomfortable for daily use. Foot pegs are positioned in a way that suits both spirited riding and longer journeys, ensuring you can enjoy a variety of riding experiences without feeling cramped. So, with all these amazing features, what can you expect to pay for the 2026 Yamaha RD350LC? Pricing for this bike varies depending on the region, but it's expected to be in the range of $6,000 to $7,000 and USD. This places it in the competitive middle range, offering fantastic value for a bike that blends retro styling with modern performance and technology. To sum it up, the 2026 Yamaha RD350LC is a tribute to the iconic original, but it takes everything great about the classic bike and updates it for modern riders. With its lightweight frame, powerful two-stroke engine, agile handling, and modern tech, it delivers a truly exhilarating riding experience. Whether you're a fan of the original RD350LC or just looking for a bike that blends nostalgia with modern performance, the 2026 RD350LC is definitely worth checking out. Well, that wraps up our in-depth review of the 2026 Yamaha RD350LC. What do you think about this modern take on a classic? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button and stay tuned for more motorcycle reviews and in-depth content. Until next time, keep riding and stay safe.